Hello friends, this is spicy puffed rice, and this spicy puffed rice is very delicious and snacks item and very quick recipe and snacks item. So let's see how can I make this. Spicy puffed rice ingredients are needed. Puffed rice means muri, Bengali people called muri. Small 6 cups muri or puffed rice. Then after needed roasted peanuts. Then after needed spicy ChanaChur. Then after needed curry leaves, few number curry leaves. Then after needed 3 to 4 dry red chili. Then after needed 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Then after needed 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Then after needed 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Then after needed 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. And then after needed salt to taste. These are the ingredients of spicy puffed rice. So let's see the next step. Friends, I take a kadrai and add 1 teaspoon mustard oil. Then after added, first added mustard seed 1 teaspoon. Then after added cumin seeds and stir well properly. Then after added dry red chili, and next added curry leaves and stir well properly for few seconds. Added turmeric powder. Then after added red chili powder and mixed well properly. Puffed rice and mixed well properly. See friends, this puffed rice always mixed well properly for 2 minutes. And when this puffed rice making, always remember this gas flame always low. ChanaChur, and then after added roasted peanuts, and now mixed well properly. So see friends, this spicy puffed rice is now ready and transfer into the plate. See friends, this spicy puffed rice is now ready and very delicious snacks item and very quick recipe. So if you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.